how to remove startup apps in your Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the startup apps. Let's dive right in. For that, you'll need to head over to your task manager, and then on the left hand side you can see startup apps. Just tap on it, you'll find the list of startup apps, and then you can just go to the status and then right click on the app, and then just disable. So now the startup has been disabled. So now it won't open automatically. You'll have to manually open it when your laptop opens up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.